Okay, second half of freak flag to the end. We're going to have our feet slightly open in a V, and we're going to do that footloose move. So when the ball of your right foot comes up and goes out, your toe comes up on your left foot and comes in. So that way your V is now upside down. So whatever your left foot does, the right foot does the opposite. So we move together as one. Together, open, together, open, back the other way, closed, open, closed, open. The move itself does two moves in each direction. So we go closed, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open, closed, open. The arms alternate up and down, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you feel more comfortable with it, you just get into it a little bit. Just, kind of groove along, okay? Okay, so the words are: let your freak flag wave, let your step touch flag. You're going to take a 3-point turn, fly, 2, 3, quick jump, not too high. And then we're going to go back into the never take it down, never take it down. This is a little different from before. Raise it way up, high, 2, 3, 4. Let your freak flag. You're going to step touch, but you're just kind of going to get funky with it. Fly, 2, let it fly, 2, 3, 4, and then on the 3 flies, you're walking into your company front, where you should end. First position open, grab the hand of the person next to you, and bring up on the final fly.